Hi dears, in today's class we are going to learn very interesting poem named Macavity, the Mystery Cat. It's very interesting poem. So let's move to the poem. Without going to the detailed explanations of this poem, I would like to share something about the author. Author of this particular poem is T.S. Eliot. Thomas Stearns Eliot was a poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, literacy critic, and editor. Considered one of the 20th century's major poets, he is a central figure in English language modernist poetry. Without any further delay, let's move to the poem Macavity, the Mystery Cat. What a beautiful imagination of the poet T.S. Eliot gave as a poem in our book. Macavity is a fictional character. He is also known as Hidden Poe. He is a notorious criminal, spy and tricker. Disobeys human laws. Macavity is a mastermind and leaves no evidence after committing the crime. Look at the first stanza. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the Hidden Poe, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the Flying Scots' despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. The opening stanza of this poem, the poet says that Macavity is a mystery cat. What's mean by mystery? Difficult to understand. Underline the word mystery and write the meaning the difficult to understand. He is a mystery cat and is known by the name of Hidden Poe. What is Hidden Poe? Macavity is known as Hidden Poe because he is the master criminal and can defy. What is the meaning of defy? Underline the word defy means disobey, deny the law. He is the bafflement. Bafflement means confusion or ununderstandable. Bafflement of Scotland Yard and despair. Despair means pain of the Flying Squad, a branch of the Serious and Organised Crime Command within London's Metropolitan Police Service, that is called Flying Squad. Why he is known as Hidden Poe? Because he is the master. Macavity is the master criminal and can disobey the human laws. Because of that he called Hidden Poe. Clear? In other words, we can say he has made the police of Scotland confused because when the police reach the scene of crime, he vanishes away. When they reach the scene of crime, when the police reach the scene of crime, Macavity not there. He vanishes away after he commits the crime. After he commits the crime, he just vanishes away when they reach the scene of crime. Look at the next stanza. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. In this stanza, second stanza of this poem, the poet repeats the word Macavity. It suggests that police are searching for him everywhere. Call his name, Macavity, Macavity. According to the poet, there is no one like Macavity as he has broken every law, human law, as well as the law of gravity. What is law of gravity? Law of gravity means there is no one can vanish. But here Macavity does. Okay, what is the meaning of levitation? Underline the word levitation. Levitation means vanishing away. Macavity has the power of levitation, vanishing power, and also can make a fakir. Fakir means religious man. Stare means surprised man. Surprised. Okay, can make a fakir stare. After committing a crime, he vanishes away. So, when anybody reaches the scene of the crime, he will not be able to find him through. He may search him on the ground, below or in the air above. So, the poet tells again that he is not there. It's useless to search for him. Here you may seek him in the basement. It means in the ground. It means below. You may look up in the air. It means above. But we can't find him. Third stanza. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him. For his eyes are sunken in. His brows is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. Through this paragraph, the poet introduces him as a ginger cat, as he is tall and thin. One will know that if he sees him, his eyes are sunken in. His eyebrows are deeply lined with thought. That is, make him look like a villain. Simply we can say, look like a villain. Macavity. Okay, his head is domed. Domed means round. Okay, his head is round. Through this paragraph, the poet tells or says that he is a ginger cat or villain. Look at the next stanza. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from one side to side with movement like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Through this paragraph, he said that his coat is dusty as he does not keep himself clean. It means, it indicates, his coat always dusty. It indicates that he is not clean himself. His whiskers are uncombed. His whiskers uncombed. His whiskers means long projecting. Whiskers are uncombed and he keeps swaying. Swaying means moving. He keeps swaying or moving his head one side to another, similar to the movement of a snake. When someone would think that he is half asleep, but he is always wide awake. He is always complete, awake in a complete sense. Let's read the last stanza. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is a fine and feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, the Macavity is not there. According to the poet, no one is like Macavity, as he is a fine means evil or spirit. In feline means cat shape. That shape is called feline shape. He is a monster of depravity. What's the meaning of depravity? Wickedness. Wickedness means crookedness. Okay, he is a monster of depravity. That is, he is morally corrupt. Macavity there is no one like Macavity because he vanishes away. One can find and meet him in a by street or private places or in a square. Square means malls, etc. But after any crime is discovered there, he vanishes away and cannot be found anywhere. We can't find him anywhere. That is Macavity. Because of that, we can call him hidden paw, mystery cat. Okay, this is the poem, The Mystery Cat, Macavity, the Mystery Cat, written by T.S. Eliot.